Hello students, today we are going to cover a topic subtraction of two digits. In a previous video we have done it with one digit. Let's start. 26 minus 2. Can you tell me the answer? Is it possible for you to count it on finger number 26? No, because we have only 10 fingers in our hand. So, to do subtraction when the number is more than 10, we will use ones and tens rooms for doing subtraction. To subtract these kind of questions when the digit is more than 10, we use this way ones rooms and tens room. What do you mean by one? It means ones, and for t it means tens. So we will start with the bigger number. Which is the bigger number, 26 or 2? So we will put the bigger number in the top side. So we will put 26 here. So the number at the back is at ones position. So we will put 6 here. 2 is at tens position. So we will put it in tens room. Now what about 2? We will put it here in the ones room because it is a single digit number. Can you see? Only 2. So we will put it in ones room. We use minus sign for doing subtraction. So let's start doing subtraction now. First we will do subtraction with ones. 6 minus 2. The same way we have done in single digit. 6 minus 2. But we will use a new method this time. In subtraction, what we will gonna do, from the smaller number we will count on fingers till bigger number. So after 2, count on finger. What comes after 2? 3, 4, 5, 6. So can you see, after 2 I have counted number till number 6. Let's do it one more time. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. Now in tens room there is only 2, but there is no number here. So what we can do is, we can assume it as 0. When there is no number written, we can put a 0 here. So 2 minus 0. What come after 0? 1, 2. So after 0 we count it till 2. Let's do it one more time. After 0, 1, 2. So the answer is 2. 26 minus 2 equals to 24. 87 minus 32. So again we will gonna put the bigger number first. So which is the bigger number, 87 or 32? So 87 is the bigger number. So we will put 87 this side and 32 is smaller. So we will put 32 here. So we'll start with the 7 with the ones room. So 7 we will gonna put it here in the ones room, and 8 is on tens room. Here 32. So 2 is on, we will put 2 in ones room, and 3 means 3 tenths. So in tens room. Let's start doing subtraction. 7 minus 2. So after 2 we will count after 2 till number 7. Start counting after 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 5 is the answer. We will subtract 3 out of 8. So we will count after 3 till 8. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Count the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 55. Next example is 59 minus 43. So what we will do here, which is the bigger number, 59 or 43? So 59 we will gonna put on the top side and the smaller number 43 here. So the number at the last means we will put the single digit number at the end this side on the ones position and this number at the tens position. 5 tens and 9 ones. 5 tens, 9 ones. Same with 3 we will put in ones room and 4 we will put here in tens room. So after that we will count from the smaller number to the bigger number. पहले हमने ones room को minus करेंगे then tens room को. So smaller number to bigger number we will count. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And let's count how many fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 6. Let's subtract tenth room from the smaller number to the bigger number. After 4, it's 5. That means how many fingers? 1. So the answer is 16. When we subtract 59 minus 42, the answer will be 16. So in this way, we will be doing subtraction of two digits with numbers. Thank you.